In this video, we review the Ducati Panigale V2 sports bike, which offers exceptional track performance and comfort on the highway. Join us as we ride along Sky Champion on Kawamoto and his buddy who is riding this amazing motorcycle and is constantly pushing his limits on the track.
Introducing Kawamoto, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I came to raw.
Kawamoto! And today, it's me, Sky Champion on Kawamoto. We find out why the 2023 Ducati Panigale V2 is track legend.
We dive into all the technical data that a buyer might want to know, including the performance of this motorcycle, top speed, curb weight, track performance, seat height, driveway, wet weight, and price. We also discuss why this motorcycle is relevant in the community and how it compares to other popular motorcycles like the Kawasaki Ninja.
Kawamoto! Subscribe today! Heads up! Yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah! You lost! The winner! The winner!
Get ready to experience the ultimate ride with the Ducati Panigale V2. This sports bike is designed for unparalleled performance with a 955cc Super Quattro engine that delivers 155 horsepower and a top speed of 167 miles per hour. At just 441 pounds, the Panigale V2 is incredibly light and agile, making it perfect for racing and track days. But the Panigale V2 just isn't about speed. It's also designed with comfort in mind. The ride height is adjustable, making it easy to find the perfect position for maximum comfort on the highway. And with excellent handling and stability, this bike is a joy to ride in any situation. Don't just take our word for it on Kawamoto and subscribe today. But the Ducati Panigale V2 has received rave reviews from the riders and experts alike, with its advanced electronics including a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, traction control, and Coring ABS. This bike is both safe and easy to ride. And the best part, despite its high-end features and superior performance, the Ducati Panigale V2 is surprisingly affordable, with a price tag that won't break the bank. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the Ducati Panigale V2 is the perfect motorcycle for anyone who demands the best. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to experience the thrill of a lifetime with the Ducati Panigale V2.
Nice. Those are race tires.
Hey, bro. Okay, so we figured it out. When he does the race, he took his iPhone and put it right here on this holder, which is connected through his yoke in the center of his handlebars. And what he's done is he's aimed the camera this way, so any opposing rider, like on the Ninja for example, as they're going by, they get the shot. It's on.
Thank you for watching this review of the Ducati Panigale V2, and I hope you found the information informative and helpful in making your purchasing decision. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to this channel or sharing it with your friends. We greatly appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more content in the future. Thanks again, family, for watching, and have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. And if you like this motorcycle review video, check out some of these other motorcycle review videos. And thanks for watching. We out.